Hydraulic fracturing is not only a good way to obtain oil from the ground, but it is also hurting certain communities by contaminating drinking water. The way hydraulic fracturing works is detailed. Fracking is the injection of a fluid at high pressure into an underground rock formation in order to open fissures and allow trapped gas or crude oil to flow through a pipe to a wellhead at the surface. Fracking is more than 90% water, just about 9% sand, and less than half a percent chemical additives that serve as friction reduced scale inhibitors, iron controls, and biocides. A study done by Duke University students found that a chemical engineer found methane in 115 of 141 shallow neighborhood drinking wells. Researchers guess the Marcellus Shale contains enough recoverable natural gas to fuel the U.S. for the next 20 years. Did you know that George W. Bush created the National Energy Policy Development Group less than 3 weeks after taking office and appointed Vice President Dick Cheney to chair the task force? The state of Pennsylvania is one of many regions that fracking is hurting its communities. There are 41,311 gas wells that have been drilled in Pennsylvania since the year 2001. An article comes out saying they left out data on poisons in water near gas sites. The article reports on incomplete test results provided by PA officials on toxic metals found in drinking water taken from a private well near a natural gas drilling site. Supplies of natural gas, now economically recoverable from shale in the U.S., could accommodate the country's domestic demand for natural gas at current levels of consumption for more than 100 years. The question is complex just like the fracking process. Is obtaining oil from the ground more important than our safety? I think no. If we don't make progress, I think they should figure something else out. But as the problem grows and more questions begin to emerge, what we must understand is that fracking has been around since the 1860s, so getting rid of it is not going to happen. So technology has to improve for our safety.